Hi guys! So, gagawa ako ng burrito. Burrito o flour taco? So, lagyan natin ng wrap taco tawag nito, di ba? Hindi ayaw makita yan. Wrap taco. Lagyan natin ng giniling na luto na. Siyempre, luto na na giniling lalagay natin. Tapos, lagyan natin ng where's the onion? Ah, here. Tomato. Onion. That's not a live, that's a record.
Oh, you're cool.
Hey, we don't have cheese. Sour cream, sour. What name is that?
Sour cream. I already said it.
Sour cream.
Mm-hmm.
More. Siguro mas maganda madami yung gulay.
Oh man. No way. Man, got no hot sauce.
But just in the wrapper.
Taco without no hot sauce.
Ha? It's no more na.
Man, that stuff ain't good.
Ang laki, di ba?
You're gonna go to the store and get some.
Oh my God, there's just a hot sauce there na.
Oh, this hot sauce been in here. Back when I was.
Where you will go, Aldis? Ayan na, thank you. So, titikman natin.